Hello, today we are solving October 2023 paper, Unit 2, question number 3. Magic Carpet PLC has been a producer of rugs for many years and is preparing the budget for the start of the 2024. Okay, the budgeted sales are as given below. From the period Jan to May 2024, they are shown here. Okay, well, how much will be the quantity that is going to be expected quantity of sales is shown here. Then the selling price of each rug is given. Okay, for Jan and Feb it is 80 pounds and it is believed that this is going to increase by 5% in March and April. Now prepare the revenue budget for the period. Okay, revenue budget for the period Jan 2024 to April 2024, showing the revenue received for each month in pounds. Now the general formula for any sales revenue is going to be the sales quantity. Okay, the sales quantity sold, number of quantity, that is number of rugs sold, times the selling price. At what price are you going to sell? This is the general formula. Now we have to prepare the revenue budget, okay, for Jan, Feb, March, April. Now let's prepare. The first one is going to be the rugs sold. Okay, so the first one is going to be rugs quantity sold. Okay, for each month we can see what is the rug quantity sold. Here we can see it is 2700 for Jan. It is expected to be sold this much. Okay, they will have information and you are just going to include that information given. Now let's write this. Then you have for March 2200 and then you have for April, which is 2400. So these are believed to the expected quantity that will be sold for the months given. Now the selling price, we saw that for Jan and Feb it is going to be 80 pounds. So let's write it here, selling price. The selling price is going to be 80 pounds per month for Jan and Feb. For Jan and Feb. And for March and April it's going to increase by 5%. So let's calculate 5% increase in the selling price is going to be equal to 5% of 80, that is going to be equal to 4 pounds. So the total increase will be equal to 80. The original price was 80 plus 5% of 80 pounds. So that's going to be 84 pounds. Okay. So the increase in the selling price is going to be from 80 pounds, 5% increase is going to be 84 pounds. So that will be the increase in the selling price which is expected to happen. Okay, which is expected to happen for March and April. So let's write this selling price. Now we have to calculate the revenue earned. Okay, the revenue that's going to be earned by the business because of this selling price. Okay, now the revenue, that's expected revenue. Okay, that's going to be expected sales revenue. Okay, total revenue is going to be equal to, you multiply 2700 into 80, so that is going to be equal to 216,000. So it is going to be 216,000. Then you have 2100 times 80, it is 168,000. So 168,000. And then you have for the March, it is 2200 times 84, it is 184,800. So 184,800 204,800. And then for the April you have 2400 into 84, that is 201,600. So that is 201,600. So these are the quantities, sales revenue that's going to be earned by the business, okay, in pounds. Next you have, okay, you can write pounds here.